Tinamaan na ako, walang iyak at kupido. Nasirang schedule ko, putres na kabaliwang ito. Tinamaan na ako, walang iyak at kupido. Nasirang schedule ko, putres na kabaliwang ito. You're watching Ambitiosa, the only show dedicated to everything Ann Curtis. After how many months ng pag-aantay, finally ay makikita na rin ng madlang people ang latest film ng ating Diyosa, ang Bakit Lahat ng Gwapo May Boyfriend. Before the opening day, nagkaroon ng dalawang bonggang premiere ang movie on the same day. First up, Glorieta Mall Cinema in Makati.
Hey guys, so we're here at the premiere night of Bakit Lahat ng Gwapo May Boyfriend. I hope that you enjoy the film. If you haven't watched it yet, go and invite all your friends, lahat ng mga kaibigan mo, kabarkada, pamilya, dalhin nyo lahat para manood ng Bakit Lahat ng Gwapo May Boyfriend. I guess we're all nervous, but at the same time, very, very excited to see kung ano yung kinalabasan at sana talaga magustuhan ng madlang people yung gagawin namin, yung ginawa namin.
Stop it! Uy, Ann! Ay, kulit! Tumayo ka na sa gitna na. Tignan natin. Dahil national artist first. You see the chirap out of there? Uy! Ann, I need this. Dahil totoo.
Talaga namang nag-enjoy ang mga taong nag-abang sa buong cast. Everyone was very eager to make the movie the best comedy film of the year.
Kami, sobrang confident kami dun sa ginawa namin dahil sobrang saya namin habang ginagawa namin yun at pag yung director namin. And excited na kami mapanood.
Sobra kaming pressured, but at the same time, excited kasi ang ganda ng feedback, ang lakas ng recall sa madlang people pa lang tuwing sinasabi ko, sana po manood kayo ng Bakit Lahat ng Gwapo May. Sumisigaw na kaagad sila boyfriend. So, alam mo yun, we're just very excited to see kasi it's a feel-good movie. Feel-good lang siya.
Let's go welcome Dennis Trillo, Paolo Ballesteros, and Mr. Dennis Trillo. This is overwhelming na nakita namin kayo. Ano po ang masasabi niya sa lahat ng mga fans na nandito ngayon?
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nag-spend ng oras para pumunta dito. Alam namin traffic pero pinilit ko pa makapunta ka. Maraming salamat sa namahan niyo kami. Hi guys! Maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo at sana ma-enjoy nyo at sana masagot kung bakit lahat ng gwapo may...
The Glorieta premiere was indeed a success and talaga namang napuno ang buong movie house and nag-enjoy lahat ng nakanood.
Yes, the one and only! Yes, Ann Curtis!
Sabi ko sino
coming out and we hope na ma-enjoy niyo yung movie tonight and showing na po kami tomorrow! Bukas na! Kaya sana po ma-enjoy niyo yung pelikulang pinaghirapan namin ang Bakit Lahat ng Gwapo May Boyfriend. Showing na po tomorrow! We hope you all enjoy it! Thank you for coming! Love you! Much awaited po talaga tong film na to. And we know that ang dami pong views and hits ng inyong trailer pa lamang. Ayan, sigawan naman sa lahat ng mga nandito.
Sobrang thankful talaga, and thanks to everyone that watched the trailer and the teaser. Thank you so much, and we hope that we lived up to the expectations of the said trailer and teaser. Sana magustuhan niyo mismo yung pelikula. We promise you, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Rom-com ito, it's a feel-good movie. Sana ma-enjoy nila.
Na po tayo magsiupo and enjoy the movie. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, upo. Ayan. Ayan, 3, 2, 1, takbo.
Super duper excited and nervous at the same time, but I know it's gonna be a super fun night, so excited to see how the evening turns out.
Dahil ilang hours lang ang pagitan ng 2 premiere night showings, halos lipa rin ni Anne at ng buong cast ang biyahe from Makati to Ortigas. Thank God they arrived early and walked the red carpet with flying colors.
Siyempre, it's an honor to be part of this film. Kasama ko si Anne Curtis. First time ko siya makatrabaho actually. So talagang, I feel so blessed to be part of it. Very light. So I'm expecting it to be really fun. So yeah, I'm excited to watch it. Basically, I play the role of Fiona. I'm the fiance of the very guapo Mr. Dennis Trillo. So, matutuloy nga ba ang kasal namin dito? Oo, hindi. Ang bait, sobrang bait, tsaka very professional siya. As in talagang, mas, lalo pa akong humanga sa kanya. Hindi lang dahil sa kagandahan niya, sa talent niya, pero yung mabuting kalooban niya.
Sobra kaming thankful sa lahat ng pumunta, mga fans, mga mahilig manood ng pelikulang Pilipino.
And of course, Miss Anne Curtis!
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nagpunta ngayon. Gusto namin magpasalamat. At sana po kung gusto nyo yung pelikula namin. At sana masagot namin yung mga bakit lang po bakit? Ayan! Sana po na-enjoy niyo yung movie namin tonight. And ayun, masaya lang to.
Yes, of course.
Bakit Lahat ng Gwapo May Boyfriend. And as I said earlier, if you haven't watched it yet, be sure na dalhin mo lahat ng barkada mong kaibigan, ate, kuya, mga kapatid, everyone. Bring it now. Bring them now to watch Bakit Lahat ng Gwapo May Boyfriend.
Another beautiful movie na naman ang nadagdag sa list of Anne's unforgettable films.
Para sa akin, kinikilig ako for the movie. As in, nagulat ako. Very, very good. Bet na bet ako. Very nice.
ng arte ni Anne. Super.
It was nice to see. Oh, diba? It was nice to see her in a different acting style. Very, very,
light.
very light.
Light and bubbly. Check.
The movie is so funny, hands down to everybody, the cast, super funny talaga, and you guys should really watch it. Anne was great, she had everything together, she was able to portray Kylie's role, and I do understand how she feels.
Super funny. There were so many lighthearted moments and other times when I was like super kilig. The chemistry was great on the film, so I really enjoyed it.
Tuwang-tuwa kaming lahat sa reaction, yung simula hanggang dulo, nagtatawanan. Ang saya-saya na yung pinaghirapan namin, na-appreciate nilang lahat.
Watch the movie, sobrang ganda niya, malupit, and epic plot twist.
Ang masasabi ko po sa kay Madam Ann, thank you so much for this opportunity. Sobrang ganda, sobrang galing mo, sobrang nakakakilig. Pati ako, hindi rin ako maisip na sarili ko din nakita ko sa movie natin. So, sobrang proud ako and congrats po sa ating lahat. Lalong-lalo na kay Kuya Dennis, kay Kuya Paolo at kay Miss Ann Curtis. Congrats to all of us.
Na napanood namin, parang ito na yung outcome ng lahat ng shoot namin. I can't believe na ito yung makikita ng mga tao. I'm sure pag napanood nila yon, i-share nila sa friends nila kasi nga nakakatawa siya. Tsaka ang ganda-ganda niya.
I enjoyed it so much kasi ako din lakas ako ng tawa ko kasi it's different. Reading it's a script and it's different. Seeing it talaga on widescreen. It's very light, nakakatuwa. I worked with Direct Jun Lana na before in Love to Love and it's very familiar. Ang saya. Ang sarap nung comedy, ang sarap ng romantic comedy na life.
Talaga namang confirmed na this movie, Bakit Lahat ng Gwapo May Boyfriend, ay sure winner sa puso ng lahat ng mga kapamilya, mga kapuso at mga kapatid. Congratulations, Anne!
We just finished the premiere. It was a lot of fun. I super loved the movie. And it was such a great feeling to see everyone loving the movie as well. So thank you to everyone who enjoyed the premiere night. And to those who couldn't join us tonight, be sure to catch it in Cinemas nationwide.
Tinamaan na ako, walang iyak na kupido. Nasirang schedule ko, putris na kapiliwang ito. Lumalaki ng eyebags ko, di makatulog dahil sa'yo. Nagmumukhang zombie na ako, di mapakali ano ba to. Sana lang mapapansin mo rin ang kagandahan kong ito. Hirap na kasi ang lola mo, napaliw na ata sa kapapantasya sa'yo. Daig mo pa